Adversary is my teacher. Obstacle is my stimulant. And perfection is my destiny. I flick the Vic, I see the fire, so I put it to the glass to get even higher. I work, I stay too freaking wired. I've been up too damn long, I am too freaking tired. Is this really in my heart? Is this really my desire? Destruction and wickedness are all that I acquire. Thank you, Lord, for the fourth man standing in the fire. Thank you, Lord, for the fourth man standing in the fire. You thought you had me, but I'm coming back even stronger. After Jehovah God is done with you, you're gonna need more than signs and wonders. Except you'll be in the abyss. No matter how far you wander, the darkness that permeates you will leave you more than somber. But not before you see my luck flower like a 40 clover. The war is already won, but the battle is far from over. You're deaf and you're blind, maybe you should lean a little closer. The voices that you listen to have been lying to you over and over. You should have listened to what I told you. This impact is gonna hit you with the supernova. The gifts that God has given me have turned me into a super soldier. To me, your ignorance is blissfulness. The lack of importance in your wickedness that you think so highly of has destroyed all your chances to rise above. You resonate with fear, you never resonate with love. As for the sons of God, we have been made into the weapons to get rid of you once and for all. It's kind of funny how you won't be remembered at all. I flick the Vic, I see the fire. To the glass to get even higher. I work, I stay too freaking wired. I've been up too damn long, I am too freaking tired. Is this really in my heart? Is this really my desire? Destruction and wickedness are all that I acquired. Thank you, Lord, for the fourth man standing in the fire. If pain is the name of the game, I already won. Really, it's too late. It's insane, all the rain. Is it worth all the fame? I already ripped my heart out and burnt it in the flames. Till I was speaking curses on your name. Your love is hate, it's always been the same. Devil is a liar and fear is all that can remain. The only pleasure in your game is what you're feeling when you hate. The more you hurt me, the more it motivates. You will never be one of the greats. I already rose above to take your place. Jehovah is blessing me right in front of your face. You can't pretend that you are God, but you've only always just been fake. How many lessons does it take before you realize that I am more cunning than the snake? All you do is you take and you take. Just want my ability to speak and to create. That's where you are making the mistake. I feel like you should know already that you cannot be fighting fate. I say what I mean and I mean what I say. This ain't a game that you should have ever start to play. Picked the wrong guy and asked for judgment day. You picked a fight with Jehovah Most High, and no one has ever survived to tell the story of how they won that fight. Better face the facts that on that day you will have to look Jehovah in the eye. And I'll be in paradise raising the vibration at the celebration in the sweet by and by. I flick the Vic, I see the fire, so I put it to my glass to get even higher. I work, I stay too freaking wired. I've been up too damn long, I am too freaking tired. Is this really in my heart? Is this really my desire? Destruction and wickedness are all that I acquire. Thank you, Lord, for the fourth man standing in the fire. Yeah, I flick the Vic, I see the fire, so I put it to the glass to get even higher. I work, I stay too freaking wired. I've been up too damn long, I am too freaking tired. Is this really in my heart? Is this really my desire? Destruction and wickedness are all that I acquire. Thank you, Lord, for the fourth man standing in the fire. I flip the Vic, I see the fire, so I put it to the glass to get even higher. I work, I stay too freaking wired. I've been up too damn long, I am too freaking tired. Is this really in my heart? Is this really my desire? Destruction and wickedness are all that I acquire. Thank you, Lord, for the fourth man standing in the fire. Standing in the fire.